Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn the rules of tajweed. Especially, we will understand what is idgham. So, idgham means to merge. Idgham means to merge. There are 6 letters of idgham. They are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. We can combine in yarmaloon. So idgham happens when noon sakin or tanween. This idgham happens when noon sakin or tanween comes before idgham letters. Then we will merge this noon sakin or this tanween into the next idgham letters. For example, here this is noon sakin. Noon sakin has come before ya. Noon sakin is followed by ya. This is idgham letter. So we will merge noon sakin into ya, and the sound of noon sakin will not be clearly pronounced. We will recite like faman ya'mal, like this. And also here is in naudunnu. So noon sakin is followed by noon. So here will be also idgham. There are 2 types of idgham. Idgham